Ethernet connected but no internet access? Here are 7 ways you can fix it. Before we move forward, do us a favor by subscribing to our channel and liking this video. It's free and helps us a lot. You can also support us through Buy Me a Coffee. We do tons of research to find the working solutions for you. Your little support will help us continue making solution videos for you and others. Now, let's get started. Method 1. The first thing you can do is change the DNS settings. Open Run and type ncpa.cpl. Press Enter to open the Network Connections window. Right-click on the network adapter you are using and select Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4 and select Properties. Set the preferred DNS server address to 8.8.8.8 and the alternate DNS server address to 8.8.4.4. Click on OK. This will save the changes. Once done, restart your computer. Method 2. The next thing you can do is reset the network. Type Network Reset in the search bar and select the top option. Click on Reset Now and wait for it to finish. Method 3. Another thing you can do is update the network drivers. Right-click on the Start menu and select Device Manager. Expand network adapters and right-click on the network driver. Select Update Driver. Next, click on Search automatically for drivers. Wait for Windows to finish searching and updating the driver. Restart your PC. Don't have a solution so far? After the video ends, join our Facebook group where our experts help users just like you solve tech issues every day. Join the group from the link in the description or the pinned comment and ask for help. We promise to help you out. Method 4. If updating the drivers don't work, try reinstalling them. Right-click on the network driver again and select Uninstall Device. Wait for the uninstallation to complete and restart your PC. After the PC restarts, it will automatically check for the missing drivers and install them. Method 5. The next thing you need to do is make sure the correct date and time is selected. Press the Windows +I keys to open Settings. Click on Time and Language. Select Date and Time. Enable the Set Time Automatically toggle. Next, click on Time Zone and select the correct time zone of your region. Method 6. The next thing you can do is disable the metered connection. Open Settings again and select Network and Internet. Select Ethernet and disable the metered connection toggle. Method 7. Another thing you can do is update your Windows. Type Check for Updates in the search bar and select the top result. Click on Check for Updates and wait for Windows to check for the available updates. Download and install the available updates and then restart your PC. So that's it. Subscribe to our channel and get quick solutions to all your tech issues. Join our Facebook group where you will get direct help on everything tech. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Support our dedicated team of troubleshooters and editors directly through Buy Me a Coffee. Thanks for watching and always remember that we are here to help you out.